Let's do this. I'm going to adjust here. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe out. Let it go. Right out. Good. One more. Breathe in and out. Good. Go. Good. Now we're going to go on to your side. So Tali, lead.
Side naman.
Yeah, any side. There you go. Yeah.
Side na side, ma'am.
This knee out.
Diretso po yung baba.
One baba. There. And then more tea higher dito. So your body's more heated.
Pahiga mo konti, magkatawan mo.
Come this way. Good. And then your hands, there you go. Relax your shoulders. Now you rest. There you go.
Oh!
Good job. There you go. Ha!
Kabila mo.
Yeah, she likes that one, I can tell.
Diretso po yung baba. Yung baba, ma'am.
This knee, yeah, okay. Come to the edge. Okay. Roll on your back a little bit more. Go. Okay. Elbow goes up. Roll. Relax. Oh my God. Good. There we go. Good job. She's gonna pull my shirt off. All right. That's good. We're getting good movement, good stretching. Need to change your diet a little bit too. Not so much fatty foods and oils, palm oils, seed oils. Relax your head, bring it over to the side. Yeah, just a little bit like that. Let it go. Oh, good job. Okay. That's just air between the joints, don't worry. It's just a few millimeters of movement, and that noise is just suction between the two joints. Let it go. There you go. See the stretch? Now, everybody has these problems in their spine. Okay, so, check. Do you have any sakit dito? No? That looks like on the x-ray, gallstone. Gallstone in the gallbladder, which is right here on the right side. Okay. All right. Let's see which one on your side. Which one on your side? Completely that way. Yeah. Completely. Okay, now both feet off. Bend your knees. Feet off the table. Remember, you're going to push yourself up sideways. Move that over. There you go. Now push up. Feet off. There you go. That way you don't undo what I just did. And you don't strain your back, okay? That's important. Okay. Now bend down, touch the floor slowly. Stretch it out. Stretch. Okay, good. Come on back up. All right, good. Now a good stretch to do to reduce some of the pain in your lower back. You take your right hand, you take your left knee, you pull yourself and you can feel it stretch. Now you take your left hand on your right knee and you pull yourself around so you're feeling stretch like that. Okay? Alright, that's good. And then stretch your arms forward and push backwards with your back, head down, head down. And you want to feel it here, so pull hard. Breathe out. Yeah. Good. Relax. Relax your arms down now. And then do the dinosaur. When you stand up, leveling, do it fast.
Di na masakit.
Just walk around a little bit.
And bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.